in a big world filled with different houses, from cottages to grand chateaus. Every kind has a unique charm of its own, so let's sing along and get to know them all. Types of house, they're also diverse, from cozy bungalows to skyscraping towers. Come on, join the fun, let's explore together. Learn the names of each house. It's a jolly endeavor. First up is the cozy little cottage, with a thatched roof and a charming front porch. It's quaint and small, perfect for peace and quiet, a place where love and happiness are always having a riot. Next up, the mansion so grand and bold, with vast rooms and gardens, a sight to behold. From the spiral staircase to the crystal chandelier, this house type is synonymous with luxury. I must make clear, types of house, they're also diverse, from cozy bungalows to skyscraping towers. Come on, join the fun, let's explore together. Learn the names of each house. It's a jolly endeavor. Now let's not forget the humble tree house, built high on a tree. It's every kid's dream house, with a rope ladder and a breathtaking view. Adventure and imagination, there's always something new. Types of house, they're also diverse, from cozy bungalows to skyscraping towers. Come on, join the fun, let's explore together. Learn the names of each house. It's a jolly endeavor. So whether it's a tiny hut or a penthouse in the sky, there's a house type for everyone. Oh my, oh my. Now that you've learned them all, you're so very clever. Go out and cherish every house type forever and ever.